This video will explain to you how to use the Easy Spin Drain Snake. Before using the tool, make sure you are wearing the proper PPE and have read the instructions, which can be accessed via the QR code on the product or on RIDGID.com. The Easy Spin is a handheld drain cleaner, ideal for sinks, tubs, and showers, and 3/4 inch to 2 inch drain lines. When accessing a sink drain, you can feed the cable through the drain or by removing the P-trap. If accessing a sink with a pop-up drain, you should remove the lift rod and drain plug before feeding the cable. When accessing a tub drain, you should feed the cable through the bathtub overflow. Be sure to remove the overflow plate and any internal mechanism. In this demonstration, we will show you how to clean a sink drain, but the instructions apply to the other applications as well. We will also show you the cable in a clear pipe to demonstrate cable movement. Insert at least 12 inches of cable into the drain and position the unit as close to the drain as possible, but no more than 4 inches. This will help feed the cable through the drain more efficiently. Lightly squeeze the trigger to engage the auto feed mechanism and turn the drum clockwise to advance the cable. Squeezing the trigger harder does not increase cleaning speed. If it is difficult to get the cable through a trap or other fitting, the following methods or combinations of methods can be used. 1. Sharp thrusts of the cable both with and without the drum rotating. 2. Squeeze and release the trigger while turning the drum. And 3. Rotate the drum clockwise and counterclockwise to change the orientation of the end to allow it to negotiate the fitting more easily. You'll see in this clear pipe demonstration that forcing the cable will not help it navigate the fitting. Using any or a combination of these 3 techniques in a controlled manner will help the cable pass through the fitting. Once you have reached the blockage, work the cable but do not force the cable. If the end of the cable stops turning, it is no longer cleaning the drain. If needed, squeeze and release the trigger while turning the drum to free the cable. Work cable back and forth 2 to 3 times. Once the blockage has been cleaned, retract the cable by turning the drum in the counterclockwise direction. After flow is established, if possible, run water to clear debris and clean the cable. For more information or questions, please contact RIDGID customer service or visit RIDGID.com.